In the future, many treatments will rely on the patient's own immune system, using immunotherapy rather than surgery or drugs that damage healthy tissue along with the cancer. AI will help us identify exactly which therapies are most likely to succeed for each patient, turning today's invasive treatment into tomorrow's precise and elegant solution. But with all this promise comes a critical message: human oversight is essential. Even the experts who develop AI don't always understand how it arrives at its conclusion. AI is ultimately a tool built on statistics. Without strong governance and guardrails, it can produce harmful or misleading results. That's why the future will require surveillance system, even AI monitoring AI, to ensure that every recommendation is ethical, safe, and aligned with human value. AI should never be in control. Humans must remain the leaders, using AI as a powerful partner to improve lives.